This is the Kohler Haku kitchen faucet. We got this at Costco and it's very nice. We like it. It's pretty tall. It's magnetic, so it attaches like that. And you can see here, like that. You can pull it down and it's long and it's a pretty good size if you want to come down in your sink and wash different things. And you can put it back up. You can move it to the side if you like. And when you turn it on, it's in stream mode. And when you push this button, it's in sweep spray mode. And then if you push this button here, it gives you extra power, which they're calling boost technology. I'm not sure if you can hear or see that. Let me switch it back. Let's see if you can notice it here. See, it gives you just a little bit extra power. We're happy with it and we like it. And if you're looking to replace your faucet, I think it's a good deal. I'm at Starbucks and today I'm going to try their pistachio latte. Let's check it out.
Hot, extra hot.
Pistachio latte, extra hot.
Yeah,
Do you want a decaf or regular?
decaf. This one?
I have a small decaf pistachio latte. I like this.
Yeah, I like this too. I like it. It's easy to work.
Although I would honestly would prefer not to have the Starbucks sign on it.
16. Why? Yeah, that is fun.
I like this too.
Yeah, this is.
I like this coffee mug.
Yeah, this is cool.
If you're gonna understand it,
1971.
see, they do dark ones.
Starbucks Road.
Okay, guys, if you're wondering how much it cost, this with tax was $6.44. And here's a side note: if you're gonna come to Starbucks, get the medium because it's only like 35 cents more to get a medium, and that was like $6.77 with tax. I feel like the price is higher than normal, and maybe that's because pistachios are expensive to be able to make the paste or whatever they put in there. Syrup, actually. Let's try it. It smells good. Yeah, it's good. You can definitely taste the pistachio. It's very good. It's kind of like a nutty coffee flavor. My wife got one before and she ordered less sugar and she still liked it. So I don't know how much sugar this is coming with, but it's probably pretty high since it's Starbucks. If you're into pistachios, I recommend it. Actually, I recommend it if you don't care about the sugar because it does taste good. Definitely. We got another Amazon gift, and it is from Amanda Davis. Dear Jeff, thank you so much for your amazing podcast. I listen every night and enjoy your calm presence and fantastic guests. Wishing you an abundance of blessings and the sweetest lemonade. Love you, from Amanda Davis. We love you too, Amanda. And she got us a Zule Kitchen stainless steel lemon squeezer. So that's why she's mentioned lemonade in there. Let's check it out. As you can see here, it's an extra large one. And it's stainless steel. It's awesome. Thank you very much, Amanda. Mika, who's here? Mika and I are here doing some editing. I'm almost done finishing up for the night. But while I'm here, there's some big news that happened today. I'm not sure when this video is going to post, but today is Thursday, and this happened, I think, a few hours ago from President Donald J. Trump. And I guess this is a post on his Truth Social website. But it says, based on the tremendous interest shown, I will be directing the Secretary of War and other relevant departments and agencies to begin the process of identifying and releasing government files related to alien and extraterrestrial life, unidentified aerial phenomena, and unidentified flying objects, and any other information connected to these highly complex but extremely interesting and important matters. God bless America. So is that what we've all been waiting for? They're going to now tell us that UFOs are real. Tell us what you guys think in the comment section below. And Mika's not even sleepy, even though it's late. Sometimes I'll be sitting here working, she will be behind me or to the side of me, and she'll start crying. And that means that she wants me to pick her up and put her right here while I'm working. And that makes her happy. My wife got this jasmine plant yesterday at Trader Joe's, and it's on the table. But check out this hummingbird flying around. Let me zoom it in. There he is. It's awesome. I wish I had a really good slow motion camera so I could get this in slow motion.
So she's doing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Mika, are you playing with Dada? Go play with Dada. We are doing yard work.